So, some quick notes about property of planetary gears. So,
Okay.
planetary gear consists of three parts, right? The
Mm.
outermost one is the ring gear. In the middle you have the sun gear, and the spacing is such that there is enough space for one planet on each side.
Mm.
So from this what we can see, diameter of the ring gear equals diameter sun plus 2 times diameter of planet. And we know that since all these gears are meshing, they are all having the same module.
Mm.
And we also know that diameter equals module times number of teeth.
Mm.
So let me use that, and number of teeth I will use the letters of the gear. So mr equals m times s plus 2 m times p, which gives r equals s plus 2p. So this is a property of all planetary gears. The number of teeth in the ring gear is equal to number of teeth in the sun gear plus twice the number of teeth of planet. Doesn't matter how many planets there are.
Okay, so this is valid for every.
Every planetary gearbox, yes, irrespective of number of planets. And similarly, we can also do like spacing stuff. So if you want to calculate the length of this arm, let us say LA equals ds plus dp by 2, which equals m times, sorry, m times s plus p divided by 2. So that will give you the length of the arm in millimeters,
Mm.
since m is in millimeters. So that's a good property to know about planetary gears.
Okay.